Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to extend RAM memory by RAM boost function on Motorola Moto E14. So first we must go to the settings. Now scroll down to system and here tap on performance. Tap again on RAM boost and now you can configure additional RAM from your internal storage. Currently we have 2 gigs and we can configure up to 4 gigs by adding additional 2 gigs. You can choose between 1 or 2. I recommend 2. If you doesn't have enough storage on your phone, you can use 1, but generally I recommend 2. So after the restart, phone will add 2 gigs to RAM. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up, and for more videos like this, please subscribe. Bye.